Welcome to One Norton's Point, a charming coastal setting in the Cape Ann North Shore area of Boston, Massachusetts. Here you can enjoy a lifestyle that only waterfront living can provide. Sailing, canoeing, kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, fishing, swimming, or just relaxing in a chair, taking in the fresh ocean air. Migratory birds stop to feed and rest here. Why? For the same reason that you will. It's quiet, peaceful, and exclusive. In fact, there are only 5 other residences on the point, and the future owner of this beautiful home will be the 6th. Peaceful and quiet, yet less than 2 miles to the quaint Norman Rockwell-esque village of Manchester by the Sea. And it's just 2 miles to the MBTA commuter rail. If you work in Boston, it's just a 45-minute train ride. One of the best beaches in Massachusetts, Singing Beach, is only 1.5 miles away. Great for walking and collecting shells, jumping in the waves, or just sitting in the soft sand to watch the surf. Its name reflects the sound that one's feet makes while walking barefoot. Being on the North Shore, Manchester's a great starting point for weekend skiing. There are great ski resorts within 2.5 hours drive. Boston Magazine ranked the Manchester school system number 15 out of 147 in 2013. The water side of the home faces Tucks Point, which is a Manchester public space and therefore should always remain open. With its chowder house, beach, swings, and picnic area, it's a town gem. Situated adjacent to the Manchester Yacht Club, it's located on the shore of Manchester Harbor in Massachusetts Bay.